Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Alajah J. I'm trying new things and your girl tried this new look and she's loving it. I finally found a foundation, my complexion. These two are like a holy grail to me and this is my first time doing it. So you guys are just going to watch my first impressions on this. Basically going to be doing a review today along with a little chit chat. With the review, I'm going to be trying a new series called New Makeup Alert. Every time you see that in the title, that means your girl got some new makeup products. I either got a new makeup products, got new makeup tools, utensils, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just going to put y'all on. You guys can see my first impressions. But before we get into anything, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you don't already. Before I continue to talk too much, we're going to just get into the video. I'm just starting to wear this little foundation thing, so I'm trying something new out. Only thing is, I noticed that this foundation, which is Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, in the color Classic Tan 335 is the number. Only thing is, I have really dry skin and this is a matte foundation. We're gonna see how that goes, but because it's matte, I'm gonna start off with my Pond's moisturizer. I don't really have that much of a skincare routine, but yeah, I normally use Clean and Clear to like wash my face, or I'll use Cetaphil. And for moisturizer, I normally use this Pond stuff. It's really good for my skin. It stops the flakiness and it also stops the dryness, so it's really good for me. I really like it. After moisturizer, I always like to go in with my Badescu skincare spray. And just let that dry. Along with this Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, I also got the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. That's what we're going to be trying today. I'm really new to like this whole trying on makeup stuff, so bear with me. I'm still learning as I go. So before anything, you know, you have to use a wet beauty blender. Well, it should be damp. It shouldn't be wet. Squeeze that out. Oh yeah, that was wet. We're just gonna take the foundation, gonna put it on the top of my hand like this. This is what it looks like. I hope it's not color, y'all. I hope. If you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at my mirror. It's really cool. Where is exactly my complexion? Oh, I think I like this better. Because I don't know if I said this already, but yeah, I'm not really, I mean, I'm literally learning as I go with this makeup stuff, like literally. I really like this. Oh, this is my color, honey. I like this. I really like this foundation, y'all. I really like it. I'm gonna put more. And I'm just gonna apply it all on my face. Oh man, I forgot to do the brows. That's because I'm so souped about trying this new foundation that I forgot to do the brows. So after I apply the foundation, I'm gonna do brows. I actually plan on doing eyebrow tutorial. I feel like I do my eyebrows really well, and I know a lot of people are out there who really don't know how to do eyebrows, so might as well, right? Might as well help y'all out, cause I ain't really had nobody help me out with my eyebrows. It was really trial and error. I was the only one of all my friends who know how to do eyebrows, who know how to do anything, literally, like who know how to do anything. So I didn't really learn from anybody, strictly YouTube. And like I said before, trial and error. I think I'm just gonna try to use the rest of this somewhere. Do y'all like my little braid? I'm really feeling it. I was just trying something different and I tried this. Gotta get that front tool. Okay. Let me get the neck too, baby. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the brows off camera. I just did the brows, and I love how I'm just gonna take my beauty blender with the foundation on it and just continue to blend. But I love the matte foundation. I thought I was gonna hate it because I have dry skin, but I just feel like it could just be the foundation. I'm not sure if it's the matte part of the foundation, but it blends out like butter. It could also be because this is my first foundation ever trying that it's actually my skin complexion, so that could be another reason why I'm at all. Just gonna keep blending on my face just so I can have that. You can't ever, I feel like you can never blend too much, because there's some people out here that need to blend. They need to keep on blending, baby, because girl. So I'm finished with the blending of the face. I'm just gonna do my under eye with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I don't think I told you guys, but the color of this concealer is in the color 30 Honey Mill. Just gonna do my under eye. I don't think I need all that. I'm just gonna do a little bit. You feel me? I got a lot under here. I'll take some more. Just blend that out. Okay. Also some here. I'll take some more from up here because I don't want to have too much. And on my forehead. These are just the places that I like to have highlighted. If you would like to try to highlight anything else, you can feel free to do that. Just gonna go back in with my wet beauty blender and blend this out. Gonna also blend it up at the top of my eyeball. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. I think I'm just gonna do more of a natural beat. I mean, maybe just like a everyday makeup look, we're gonna say. I really love this, yeah, like it's really blending into my skin. I'm so amazed. I really love it. Only thing that I don't know about is I don't know how the coverage and everything is gonna be. I hope the coverage is gonna be really good, because by the looks of it, it looks like it's gonna be. It looks like it'll last a while. I always feel like drugstore products are always better. Like, not always better, because there are some really good high-end, really good high-end makeup companies, but I feel like there are a lot of drugstore products that are really good. I actually do need to go makeup shopping, because like I said before, I'm trying to get more into this. This is something I always like to do. I just like to watch the videos and like to see other people get their makeup done, like to see after pictures, but I feel like this is something that I really wanted to learn to do. I feel like I'm growing by the day because of all my practice, and I'm just so excited to see how better I get, how much better I get. Okay, so I feel like that's really blended. I really like this, y'all. I just hope that it doesn't make my face look all dry at the end. It doesn't seem to make it look that, it doesn't look dry now. Even after, I'm pretty sure after I put on like a setting spray and stuff like that, it'll all come together, make it look a little glowier. Okay, I think we're blended enough. I'm just gonna go into my Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. This is what it looks like. I normally like to go in with the dark cocoa. I'm gonna try that one out, see how it works with this foundation. I'm gonna just keep going in with my contour palette. I normally like to use the dry, I don't know what it's called. If you know what it's called, I don't know the difference, but like dry or the wet one. Like this contour palette right here, this one is powder, but this one right here that I have from Elf is, it looks so hot ass messy here guys, but it looks like I was blending and stuff in here. But this one is like a pomade. Does it tell you in the back? Oh, cream contour palette. At least the cream contour palette that I have, I don't really like to use it as much because the colors, it just don't blend enough for me. I feel like it's either too dark or it's too light, and I don't like the way it looks. So I feel like this is a little intense. So I'm just gonna go in with my Beauty Blender just to smooth that back out. So I feel like it was a little intense on my face. Okay. I also like to go in under here. Don't really like to do too much under here. I can see that it's a little harsh. Gonna go in with that Beauty Blender and just blend that out. Also like to go in with my forehead with this. And on my sides of my head. I don't want to go in too much with it because I don't want it to be too harsh. But I feel like we're good. I have this NYX Makeup Fire eyeshadow palette. This is what it looks like, and it comes with a little mirror at the top. I'm just gonna pick this glowier shade just so my eyes can be glowy. That's the look I'm going for. I don't want to go in too crazy with the eyeshadow. I don't really know how to do eyeshadow anyway. But I'm gonna go in with this color right here just to put at the top of my lid. I would put on eyeliner because I love a wing eyeliner, but my liquid wing eyeliner doesn't want to work anymore. So we're gonna have to just have to do with the eyeliner today. Okay, it's a little glowy. I also like to go in the same color that I just used with my fan brush and hit it with a little highlight. I like the way that this eyeshadow pigment is with the gold. So I'm just gonna go in with that and just use it as highlight. Just taking my fan brush. This is a little brush that I also got from like eBay or something. It's nothing spectacular. I'm gonna start going makeup shopping just so we can just like test everything out together, see how these shades look on me, just go in a little, see how good I get and how long it takes me to actually start getting really good. I think this is, you see it? I think it's pretty good. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it looks really good on my end. I also got a little bit of red eyeshadow on the fan brush because the gold is next to that red. And it's giving me a blush effect and I love it. It's giving me the gold from the eyeshadow, but it's also giving me like a little blush because it's in that red, honey, and I like it. Right? Oh, I don't like that though. That's too much. Let me get more gold. I'm gonna have to blend that back out unless this blends it for me. Yeah. I'm gonna have to blend this out. Looks like a blush, but I'd rather not. I don't know how this looks. It looks really decent. I feel like I need to stop doubting myself. Like, girl, you are fire. Even if it's not as fire as you want it to be, keep practicing. You're gonna get better at it. You're gonna get better at it. I need to stop that. Because I would have tried this sometime last year, it would have looked a hot ass mess. So I found my setting spray. The setting spray that I use is an e.l.f. Illuminated Mist and Set. You can't really see it because the letters came off and there's rarely anything in here. But I'm gonna just try to use it anyway. I'm just spray it on my face. I'm wondering if this Mario Badescu will work as good setting spray, y'all. This is what I normally use on my face after moisturizing if I haven't told you already. But it's gonna have to do as setting spray today because your girl ain't got no more setting spray. So I'm just gonna spray. Okay. Just gonna let this dry. I feel like moving everything. I didn't use any setting power. I need to find some more setting power. I don't know if people still use Sacha Buttercup, but I know when I was in high school a couple of years ago, people were really using that, and I really liked it. But I'm gonna watch some more YouTube videos and see what other setting powders other people use. Because I feel like the setting powder I use, which is white, it normally gives me an ashy effect. I don't know why. Maybe I'm not doing something right. But I don't really like it. But this is dry. I'm just going to go grab my lashes. Give me a second. Just going to hurry and throw these lashes on.